don't send emojis in conversation box. Don't send emoji.
Ma'am, prime number is a number.
Don't sing, Digvijay. Yes, prime number. Yes, Krishna Kumar Gupta.
Ma'am, prime numbers are those numbers who had 1 and number itself. Are
Yes, if it has two factors.
only two factors.
One,
So
yes, that is one, and the number itself.
Ma'am, a prime number is a number which have two factors. 1 and number itself is called prime number.
Okay, good. Yes, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, composite number is a number where will be more.
Okay, the
What?
answered for prime number. Now let's Vaibhav answer. Yes, Vaibhav, what is composite number?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, composite number is that who has three or
More than two factors.
more than two factors.
Yes, number which has more than two factors.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? I am Ujjwal Kumar. Ma'am,
Yes, Ujjwal.
number which are only divisible by itself or by 1 are known as prime numbers. Given below are prime numbers from 1 to 100.
Okay, okay, good. Lakshay, what is
prime number is 713, 719, 23, 29, 31, 37.
Okay, Lakshay. Ronak. Ronak Yadav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ronak, what is composite number?
Ma'am, composite number.
Others, mute yourself. Yes, Ronak.
A number is a composite number. It has more than two factors.
Okay, good. Okay, children. So let's do exercise 7.2. Question number 2. Write down all prime numbers between 75 and 100. Okay. So children, beta, among these number you have to find out which number is prime number. So how you are going to do? Yes,
we have to write question also. It will be prime number. 77.
we know that prime number are those number who have two factor and they are 1 and the number itself. Okay, let's start with number 75. Children, you can see that on one's place it is 5. 75.
Counting.
That means, yes, no, not counting.
Ma'am,
75 is
right number.
Let's see.
72 or 74 and 75, 76, 77, 78 and 80, 81, 82,
Wait,
84,
Manish.
85.
Okay, Manish, now mute yourself. Listen, children, first number is 75. Okay, check it whether it comes in one table of 1. Yes, 175 is a 75. Yes. Now let's see whether it comes in 2 table. No. Yes. So how you are going to find out? Listen, mute yourself, beta.
Sorry,
For 2, children, listen. For 2, how you are going to see? You will see. Check.
Ma'am, there are 17, 73, 79, 83 and 89 are the primer.
Children, how you are going to check? You will check one's place. You will see one's place. On one's place, it should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then only it is divisible by 2. Then only we can divide that number by 2. So 75, check one's place. Which number you can see on one's place?
5. 5.
Okay, now tell me whether it is 75. Whether 75 is divisible
And can
by
I answer?
or no or not.
5, 9.
Children, is it?
75 is not divided by 2.
Yes. Okay, so that means it is not divisible by 2. Now let's see for 3. So for 3, how you are going to do, children? You will add. You will sum the numbers. So it is 75. How you are going to do? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Yes. You can simplify it
Yes,
more.
ma'am.
Plus 2, that is 3. You can simplify. Now see, children, 3 comes in 3's table or not?
Yes, ma'am. He
That
comes in
means,
3 tables.
yes, that means
Yes, ma'am.
75 is divisible by 3. So children, 75 is not a prime number. How? Because it can be divisible by 1, it can be divisible by 3, 5 से भी हो सकता है. How you are going to check by 5? One's place पे अगर 0 है और 5 है, that means we can divide that number by 5. So on one's place you can see here that the number is 5. That means we can divide 75 by 5. Yes.
Ma'am, 75 is divided by 15 also.
Yes. So इसके एक से ज़्यादा है फैक्टर. Yes, वन और जो नंबर है वो खुद नहीं है. वन एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ इज नॉट ओनली द फैक्टर 75 हैज. 75 के 1 से ज़्यादा है, 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर है. So 75 is not a prime number. We will cross it. Then 76. See ये बेटा 6 जो है यहाँ पे आ रहा है. That means we can divide 76 by 2. 77 comes in 1's table. In 11's table also. 11 sevens is 77. Then it also comes in 77's table. That means it is also not a prime number. Then 78 is again not a prime number. Why? Why 78 is not a prime number?
Ma'am, because 178 And in 3 table, मतलब 13 table it comes.
And it can also be divisible by 2. 78 2 से भी डिवाइड हो सकता है. कैसे? Let's see.
मैम
Quickly divide it.
मैम
Yes,
मैम 79 83 और 89 91 97 प्राइम नंबर है इन सब में.
Okay, let's. आपका से है
मैम
प्राइम
79
79.
मैम मैम 79 83 89 and 97 are the prime numbers. मैम and 89 मैम and 89
And
97
okay.
मैम 91 मैम 97 मैम 91 नो 91 मैम 91 नहीं
91 is
मैम 91 is not a prime number. 91 is not a prime number. मैम 91 is a prime number मैम.
wait. अच्छा, listen children.
She is a prime number. मनीष 91 12 की टेबल में आता है और 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है.
12 की टेबल में नहीं आता 91.
Ma'am, what did you do today? Ma'am, 91 is a. Hello.
13 sevens is 91.
मैम आज अपनी कॉपी में क्या करेंगे? 13 की टेबल में आता है.
91 comes in 13's table. So 91 is
Ma'am,
not,
92.
92 is again not a prime number, beta.
That's not. That
We can divide 92 by 2.
95.
95
मैम 95 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा और वो 19 की टेबल में भी आता है.
yes, 95 is not a prime number.
19 से
98 is again not a prime number. 99 comes in 11's table. 100 comes in 10's table. 100's table. 1's table. You can also divide 85 to
96.
and 20 also. No, 96 भी नहीं हो सकता. 96 12 के टेबल में आता है.
Ma'am, 99. Ma'am, 79, 83, 89, 97.
Yes. So we have how many prime number?
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, we have 4 prime numbers. Ma'am, 73, 83, 89, 97. Ma'am, we have 4 prime numbers. 89, 97.
Yes. So we have.
Ma'am, 79, 83, 89, 97.
Question number 2. Quickly note down in your notebook.
Ma'am, now question number 3 is our homework.
Beta, it was your homework. It was your homework. Yesterday, I have given question number 3 in your homework.
And question number 2.
Question number 2, write in your notebook. Then after question number 2, question number 4.
Ma'am, question number 3 is our homework.
Beta, question number 3 was your homework. Was. It was. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yes, children, wait. Okay, so beta, in this question,
Your mic in mute.
yes. So in question number 4, what you have to find out, you have given following numbers. In that you have to find out which are prime number and which are composite number. Which of the following numbers are primes and which are composite? Quickly do in your notebook. 101, 102, 105, 109, 112, 113, 120, 121, 123, 127 and 131. Ronald, Ronald,
मैम क्वेश्चन में फुल का आंसर क्या है?
Archana, you have to do question number 4. Try it, then we will discuss how you have to do. Archana, in this question you have to find out which number is prime number and which number is composite number in question number 4.
Okay, ma'am.
So prime numbers are, and then here we will write composite numbers. See, children, 102 is divisible by 2. How? 102 divide we can divide 102 by 2.
Ma'am, the prime number are 101, 109, 130 and 127 and 130.
101, 109 and
113. 130. Ma'am,
yes,
127 and 131.
and
131.
the remaining numbers are composite number. So the remaining numbers are 102, then 105. Children, 105 we can divide it by 5.
Ma'am, write in notebook.
Yes, better write in your notebook. Then 112 also we can divide it by 2. 120 is divisible by 12.
20,
Also.
20.
100.
Ma'am, 131 is a prime number. Ma'am, 121 and 123. Ma'am, and 131.
121 come, we can divide it by 12. Sorry, 11. And then 123. 123 is divisible by which number?
Ma'am, composite number are 102, 105, 112, 120, 121, 123.
मैम आपने 4 का आंसर नहीं लिखा।
हाँ ये 2 है। Quickly note down this in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have right.
I have write नहीं बेटा, I have written.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes,
I have
you
written.
can say I have done, or you can say
Ma'am, I have written.
Yes, I have done.
I have also done. Ma'am, I have done.
Any
I have
doubt?
also done.
Children?
I have not done.
No, not done. Okay, do it.
I've done. मैम
Yes,
yes
yes,
मैम तो आपने कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर लिखा है। मैम ये 126 है कि 120?
20 बेटा. It's 120. Yes.
Composite numbers.
What are composite numbers? Those number who have which is Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Number
one composite
better listen. No. 1 is not a composite number. Why? Because it does not have
Ma'am, it does not.
two factor. Composite number क्या होता है प्रत्युष?
Ma'am, more than 2 factors.
Yes, those number which has more than 2 factors. और 1 का 2 factor नहीं है. 1 का factor is only 1. वो prime number भी नहीं है. Okay, have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have done.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, question 5.
Ma'am, I have done.
Give 2 prime numbers whose difference
I have
is
also done.
Okay, now listen children, what you have to do in this question. Give 2 prime numbers. 2 prime numbers बताने हैं whose difference is 3. That means when you will subtract it, then your difference, then the answer should be 3. वो जो difference आएगा वो 3 होना चाहिए. आपको prime number बताना है. Yes. So here एक number होना चाहिए subtract और उसका answer 3. Okay, let's write prime numbers, all prime numbers. 1, 3, 5, then 7, then yes children, 1, 3, 5.
9.
No, 9 comes in 3's table. 11, 13. Yes, Now children, you have to find out two prime number. दो prime number find करने हैं. When you subtract it, then your difference should be 3. उसका जो answer आना चाहिए वो 3
13
आना चाहिए.
multiply 10. मैम सब्ट्रैक्शन वाला
But 10 is not a
डिफरेंस.
prime number. Krishna
मैम
Kumar.
सब्ट्रैक्शन वाला डिफरेंस.
Yes.
एक्चुअली
Difference.
मैम
Listen children, difference, when in question it is mentioned difference. Difference means subtract. Children, listen carefully first.
11 and 13. मैम 11 and 13.
Okay, wait.
मैम
Difference
11 and
means, now listen children, difference means subtract and sum means add plus. यहाँ पे क्या है difference, that means you have to subtract. ये देखो subtract. Okay. Multiplication प्रोडक्ट होता है ऑफ दिस एंड दिस नंबर होता है ना. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. ओके. सो हेयर इट इज डिफरेंस. वैभव, बट बेटा वैभव 3 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. इट हैज मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. यस 2 भी है. सॉरी 6. हाँ 3 है. 6 यू हैव रिटन 6 minus 3. Vaibhav, unmute yourself. You have written
Yes,
6
ma'am.
minus 3 is equal to 3. But beta 6 is not a prime number. Why? Why 6 is not a prime number?
Because it has more than 2 multiply numbers.
Yes, 1 by 1. Yes, I know children that you know answer.
More than
Yes, because
we have to add, subtract.
6 has more than 2 factors. Now you have to write two numbers, two prime number. Two prime numbers, when you subtract those number, your answer, your difference should come 3. Okay, now let's subtract it. When we subtract 1 from 3, your difference will be 2. That means it is not. When you subtract 3 from 5, your difference will be 2 again. That means it is also not a prime number. Sorry, it is prime number, but here you will not write. Then 7, 5 from 7 again.
Ma'am, 10 is a prime number.
No, 10 is not a prime number. Why? Because it has more than 2 factors. Then 7 minus 11. Children subtract. Yes. 7.
Ma'am, 11 minus 13.
Yes.
Ma'am, 7 minus 3 is 4. Ma'am, 11 minus 13.
7 minus 7 from 11.
Ma'am, 11 minus 13.
It's 4. Huh? It will be 4. 11 minus 13. 13. No.
Ma'am, I am Manish Kumar Mandal. Ma'am, 5 is a prime number.
Yes, 5 is a prime number.
So, ma'am, 5 minus 2, 3.
Okay, it will be.
Ma'am, 11 minus 13.
7 minus 13. No.
No, ma'am, 11 minus 13.
No, let's write more prime number.
Ma'am, 13.
Okay, 13.
Prime number.
14 is not a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. 16 is not a prime number. Then 17.
Ma'am, 7 minus
Yes,
3.
then 17 is a prime number. Then after 17, 18 is not a prime number. 19. Yes, yes, children. Now let's see. When you subtract 11 from 13, your answer, your difference will be 2. When you subtract 13 from 17, now check it.
7 minus is 3. 17 minus, and the answer is 4. Yes, ma'am. The answer is 4. Ma'am, 7 minus 4.
2. 2 is a prime number. Beta, we missed one prime number. That is 2.
Ma'am, 5 minus 2 is equals to 3.
Yes.
Ma'am, your screen is black. 5 minus 2. 5. Your screen is black. 5 minus 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, your screen is black.
So when you
Ma'am,
subtract
7 minus
2 from
4.
5,
Ma'am, your screen is black.
my screen is black. Wait.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your screen is clear. Ma'am, your screen is clearly.
Yes. Note down in your notebook, children. So 2 is also a prime number. When you subtract 2 from 5, your difference will come 3.
Ma'am, 7 minus 4. 10 minus 13.
But beta 4 is not a prime number.
Ma'am, 11 minus 13.
11 subtracted from 13, your difference will be 2.
No, ma'am. 3.
मनीष सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखो. See, 13 minus 11. When you subtract 1 from 3, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. See?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have writing copy.
ये चिल्ड्रन, ये आपको नहीं लिखना है जो ये बॉक्स में है. डिफरेंस का साइन, सम का साइन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, प्रोडक्ट का साइन. ओके, डोंट राइट इन योर नोटबुक.